General abundance. I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life. The universe is conspiring to bring me good things. There is more than enough for everyone, including me. I am grateful for the abundance that already exists in my life. Abundance flows to me easily and effortlessly. Worthiness and prosperity. I am worthy of receiving abundance. Prosperity is my natural state of being. I deserve to live a life of abundance. I am a magnet for positive experiences and opportunities. I am a powerful creator, and I attract abundance into my life. Growth and mindset. I am constantly expanding my capacity to receive abundance. Challenges are stepping stones to greater abundance. I release limiting beliefs about scarcity and lack. I am open to new ideas and possibilities that bring abundance. I am a lifelong learner, always seeking ways to increase my abundance, gratitude, and focus. I appreciate all the good things in my life, big and small. I focus on the abundance that I already have. I am grateful for the abundance that is yet to come.